Hi, I am in the users section. As an admin, now we can see how we can upload users in bulk, that is in groups. So using the bulk onboarding, you can onboard 25 users at a time. You have the option to send welcome email to all users once added, or you can trigger the email later as well. So let's see how it is possible. So I'm just adding some sample users. So this is a very important step. So email address, as I previously mentioned, the same email address can be used for multiple users. However, while adding in bulk, you have to make sure that the email address is unique, because the email address will be taken by default as the username. And as I said before, the username has to be unique. So the email address needs to be unique whenever you add users in bulk. So I add this as the email address. However, this email is already in use, so this is likely to give an error. So this is based on Gmail, and so it supports alias. So I'm going to make it as an alias. So let's see if it is working, and I pick up the role. So in this case, I'm going to add this one as the end user. So I'm going to add it. So still the user is not added. So let me add one more. So the end user. So like this, I can add 25 users, and when you save it, you can see that users are successfully created. And I can have the option to send voicemail pins, because now is the stage where you can set extensions. So I have added the users, and I'm just saving it. So the extensions are uh, in the process of getting assigned to the added users. As you can see, the extensions are auto assigned to the users, and you can see that the username that is associated is EU02 and EU01. So had I used the username as the normal email address, it might have given me an error, because it was used in a lot of accounts before. So this you have to keep in mind while adding bulk users. Thank you. And also, one more thing that needs to be kept in mind is you will have to have sufficient number of extensions for provisioning those users with extensions beforehand. Say for example, if you're bulk onboarding 10 users, make sure to have 10 extensions, or later you can purchase extensions through Airtel. Yeah, thank you.